Hola a todos, ¿cómo están? This is lesson number 9 and today we're going to finish the alphabet. So the next letter is the letter Y, but in Spanish it can be named in two ways. The first name is Y because it actually sounds like that, and the other name is Y, or in English would be like the Greek I because it also sounds like an E. I'm going to give you 3 examples of Y and 3 examples with E. The first word with Y would be yate, which means yacht. Yate. Last time, yate. Second example would be yo, which means me or I. Yo. Easy, right? Yo. And the third example would be playa. In this sound is playa. That last syllable. One last time. Playa, which means beach. Now I give you 3 examples when it sounds like an I, or in Spanish, E. Usually it would sound like an E when it's at the end of the word. For example, the word hoy, which in English means today. Hoy. Hoy. Second example is the word law, which in Spanish is ley. Ley. One last time, ley. And the last example is the word king, in Spanish, rey. Rey. One last time, rey. Now, before talk about the last letter, I wanted to talk also about this combination of letter. Actually, it's a double letter that we have studied before, and it's the double L. I name it here because the sound is the same as Y, and there is no specific rules when to use the Y or double L, which is also called eye. You have to learn when to use Y or eye, depending on the word. So first example is pollo, which means chicken. Pollo. One last time. Pollo. Second example, lluvia, which means rain. Lluvia. One last time. Lluvia. So the last example is the word key, which in Spanish is llave. One more time. Llave. Last time. Llave. And finally, the last word of the Spanish alphabet, which is zeta. So, first example with zeta is zorro, which means fox. Zorro. One last time. Zorro. Second word, zanahoria, which means carrot. Zanahoria. One last time. Zanahoria. And the last word is shoe, which in Spanish is zapato. One more time. Zapato. Zapato. Okay, now we have finished finally the Spanish alphabet. And today we are also learning the numbers from 1 to 100. It's very simple. From 1 to 10, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. From 11 to 15 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And from 16 to 19, you have to use the word dieci and then put the number. For example, 16, and you have to write it all together like one word. 17, 18, 19. Now 20 it's 20. And all the numbers that are at 20, like for example 21, 22, 23 and so on until 29, you have to use also one word. So you will say 20 and then put the number. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. From 30 all the way up to 100, you will have to separate the words. For example, 31. So it's three words, right? 31. It will go like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. For all these numbers, it's the same logic. First, for example, 31. 31. You have to separate the whole words. Okay, that's it for today. I hope that you learned a lot and I hope that you continue studying Spanish. Thank you. Adiós.